How to sublimate an 11-ounce silver glitter mug using the Craft Express Auto Mug Press. For this project, you will need the following materials: an 11-ounce silver glitter mug, Craft Express sublimation paper. For this project, I'm going to be using the mug size sublimation paper, Craft Express Auto Mug Press, measuring tape, lint roller, tape dispenser, and thermal tape. Next step will be to measure the size of the design we wish to place on the mug. Today we're going to be creating a wrap around the mug. So what we're going to do is take the tape measure and place it around the mug. Now I don't want it to go completely all around the mug, but we're going to take a measurement to get an approximate size. So if I measure the circumference is a little over 10 inches, but that's not going to be the size of our mug wrap, we're going to make it about 9 1/4 or 9 inches. So now we're going to take these measurements over to Canva. Let's create the template for the 11-ounce glitter ceramic mug. To begin creating your template, select custom size at the right corner, then input your paper size. We're going to input 9.5 inches in width and 4.0 inches in height, and make sure you've selected inches. Next, create new design. Now we have our template ready. We're going to be decorating this one with cherry and strawberries. So at the top here in elements, you're going to pick cherry or strawberry. We're going to size this to 0.8 inches by 1 inch and place it on one side of your paper. And now we're going to look for the cherry. Once you have them all where you want them, then we're going to save it. Hit share, download. Change the file type to PDF print, flatten PDF, and save download settings so it saves it exactly how we have it here. Then click on download. Open up your print manager. In this case, I'm using the Sawgrass, so I'm using PrintMate, and open up the file where you have saved your design to. So here's my design where I've saved it. I'm going to drag it to the files. Then from here, you can leave it as a regular paper size depending on the piece of paper you're using, or you can switch it up and have a mug size paper. Once that's selected, make sure mirror is turned on and select the product type. I'm using ceramic, then hit print. Now that we have printed out the design that we're going to be using, we're ready to sublimate the 11-ounce silver glitter mug. To begin, we're going to set the time and temperature on the Craft Express Auto Mug Press, and then we're going to prep the mug. So first we want to start by turning on the press. So we're going to click that button until the press turns on. All right. The light is a blinking orange light. We're going to let this light turn green. Once it has turned green, it means it has heated up to factory settings, and then we're going to set the time and temperature. Next, we're going to set the time and temperature by pressing or holding the button until we get an orange blinking light. When you see the blinking light, click the button quickly to adjust the temperature. We're going to set it to 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and that would be the light that is blinking. Let it stop blinking. We're going to hold it one more time until the light turns green. This will adjust the time. Now to set the time, we're going to click it quickly until the light that is not blinking is the time that we have selected. In this case, we will set the time to 100 seconds. Once it has been set, then we're going to press the button one time to turn on the press. Now we're ready to prep the mug, so we are going to remove the lint using a lint roller. Ready to wrap it. So I'm going to take my mug facing the handle towards me, and then I'm going to place my wrap. This will help me center the wrap. Next step is to tape it.
I like to use 2 strips of tape on each side. Then we're ready to press it. Grab your mug and slide it inside your press. The press will close automatically. When the time is up, it opens up automatically, and now you can remove the paper and reveal the final result.
Congratulations, you have just sublimated your very first glitter mug. Look how beautiful these colors turned out.